The Edo State People's Democratic Party PDP Governorship Campaign Council, its standard bearer Godwin Obaseki and running mate Philip Shuaibu, on Friday, August 28, concluded the tour of the wards in Ovia Southwest local government area. Ahead of the tour, the governor commissioned the Lily Hospitals, Day Clinic and Molecular PCR Laboratory. The Molecular PCR Lab will bring to 3 the number of COVID-19 test centers in Edo State. While commissioning the hospitals, Governor Obaseki told the audience that the development is a clear indication that the policies and programs of his administration on healthcare are yielding fruits for the benefits of the people of Edo State, noting that his administration did not only provide a conducive environment to attract businesses, but that investors are also coming into the state to create jobs and reduce unemployment in the state.
This hospital today is quite, that's being commissioned is quite different. Apart from it being a day clinic, it tells us that there must be business. There's demand for medical services. That's why this group of very entrepreneurial doctors are taking the risk, putting their money up front to put the investments to provide medical services to our people in Edo State. But beyond the regular medical services, they have on their own invested in a molecular laboratory, a PCR laboratory that has the capacity to also test for COVID-19. With this PCR laboratory, Edo State now has 4 testing facilities.
After the commissioning of the Lily Hospitals, the governor and the PDP campaign team visited Ora Ward 6 in Ovia Southwest local government area. Party leaders and supporters took time to praise the numerous ongoing and completed projects of Governor Godwin Obaseki in the local government area. The first to speak to the mammoth crowd of party members and supporters in Ora Ward 6 was the senator representing Edo South, Senator Matthew Urogide. Senator Urogide told the people of Ora to come out en masse on Saturday, September 19, and vote the PDP for the governor to continue with his people-oriented programs and policies.
The governor, Governor Obaseki, and Deputy Governor Philip Shuaibu did a campaign of a governorship of PDP. I come here so. Many people, when believe in our governor, follow governor, come here. That 4 years, because we are making governor, that's why all the development we don't see for Edo State today, that's why everybody they happy. That's why everybody, everywhere, with the supporter. See market women day, youth day, men day, leaders day, everybody day. Everywhere we don't go, like this governor, everybody they greet. Governor Obaseki, God bless you. Governor Obaseki, God bless you. See you as now plenty here. I never seen the kind of crowd for our world before. So we can't thank you now for the one I don't do. And una go do again, say we could come back una for another 4 years. This governor now na pikin. We not go agree for this land when nobody get. Say another we go agree for our pikin make the education. We not go agree. We not go agree. One man when not be God, you go say he not go letter. Hey, go know that. Obuwaye. It's your hand on the hand right there. After God, that you, the people that go decide. No man is God. Obaseki return for second tenor. God has said yes. Come is on. 4 by 4. 4 by 4. 4 by
Engineer Gideon Ikini, one of the former aspirants and deputy chairman of Edo State Guba campaign, urged the people of Ora Ward to reach out to their families and vote for the umbrella party, the PDP, in the coming election.
PDP! Ora Ward PDP! Una dey happy today? Una sure? You don't see where person born better pikin. You not go use hand hold am. Who be better pikin when we get? Who be better pikin when we get? Now, make we dey serious. As we dey here so, una not like am. The people they went go farm. People they went go market. E get some people when still dey confused. They still dey carry broom. If una live here today, what you una go do? When go make deputy governor happy? When go make governor happy? Now make una go back, go knock for their door. Una go bring them come out for smoke. Bring them under the umbrella when they give shade. Now that una go do after this meeting. Una go bring them. Because today, as we dey here, many people want the camp. And many people went there as well want the camp still there. Una no one better the camp. Una like better thing, is it not? Now let one person I know say not like better thing. Oshamole. Who not like better thing? Who not like better thing? Who not like better thing?
My name is Friday Ekoyan. I'm from a Wogu community. I and my entire community come from APC to PDP today.
When I hear that one, for whatever.
The governor's acceptance throughout the state is just overwhelming. It tells clearly that he has touched every nook and cranny of this state. And I have no doubt in my mind that come September 19th, the people of Edo State have already made up their mind and decided to vote for Governor Obaseki. As you know, Ovia Federal Constituency is the constituency that I represented. And I can tell you 100% that the people of Ovia have made up their minds to vote for no other person than Governor Godwin Obaseki.
The population you are seeing today speaks volume of his performance. We have come to appreciate his good work. He has also remembered us in the road construction, in schools, and many other areas of development. So our coming out today is an expression of our appreciation for his good work. He has performed excellently.
Edo must move forward. Move forward. I could never. Not godfatherism. Move forward. I could never. Forward ever. I could never. Obaseki Nalima. We know. Forward ever. I could never. Even self Nalima. We know. Edo must move forward. Move forward. I could never.
While addressing PDP supporters in Ora Ward 6, Governor Obaseki promised to complete work on the College of Agriculture in the area. He reminded the people of what his administration had done to assuage their sufferings. He also promised to connect electricity to the College of Agriculture upon completion of the renovation.
PDP! Power to the women! Power to the youth! Power to our world! Adequacy! Adequacy! Wala! This campaign, now how to move Edo forward. And by the grace of God, Edo must continue to move forward. In the last 4 years, we never move forward. When this Una road nearly spoil, when this bridge affect, when we not fit come, we not repair them. Is that not progress? College of Agriculture here. When I don't enter, make una see what they do there now. When I did there, by the time we finish early next year, that will be the best college of agriculture in Nigeria. PDP! Who will you vote for? Who will you vote for? You vote for me, I will work for you. PDP! PDP power! PDP! PDP! PDP!
The governor and his campaign team then moved to Udo. They made their way to the Iyase of Udo, His Royal Highness Patrick Igbenedun, where the standard bearer and his running mate Philip Schreiber received royal blessings and prayers for victory at the polls. From there, they proceeded to Ofunama Ward 9 and Nikoroga Ward 10 to canvass for votes.
Are you ready? Don't be so cold, let's go. Them they plan to go. We go. One time. Let me see your 4 fingers in the air right now. Yes, one time. I said, oh yeah, everybody make it.
In Udo Ward, Engineer Hini told party supporters that Governor Obaseki is courageous and has been able to weather this storm with all the trouble the former national chairman of APC, Adams Oshomole, unleashed on him.
He get people when see they take back waka for darkness. When una reach house, no na go knock for their door. Say you still there for APC, Obaseki don't throw away broom. They could have give them umbrella. But many people never know say that broom when they carry, you know they fit cover any person again. When I don't see what when governor they do, they get trouble. That's when they still they walk in the midst of trouble. Now when they don't come under umbrella, when they get peace, the next 4 years, now be like saying abroad on a day. And then they find the trouble, that's something that they carry chest boots. If they carry chest boots, enough is no man is. When Adams come, he said that God will. Now he get brain. Not be so he talk. He said another person are thief. Una want vote for thief? Now when he make am say he want leave Obaseki, the first money when he get, he take am marry Oyibo. Oyibo don't go. Now he dey find another person wey go give am money take marry another Oyibo. Una go let am enter power.
It's so glaring and obvious that PDP is winning. And because of the fact that APC candidate, Pastor Ize Yamu, is an unsellable candidate, which is Godfather. I'm talking about Comrade Adams Oshomole, made known to generality of Nigerians in 2016. So because of this fact, they've been doing all they can to stir up violent atmosphere. But we, at this end, I'm talking about PDP, we will not go down the month with them. We continue to preach peace. Because according to what Dr. Goodluck Jonathan said in 2015, he said, and I quote, that ambition of a politician does not worth the blood of Nigeria. And I'm so happy that we, PDP, we have a sellable product in the person of Governor Godwin Obaseki, because they said that fact speaks for itself. You can see that as he is campaigning, he is equally commissioning projects across the length and breadth of the state. So I believe that come September, we are not only going to beat APC,
hands down, we are equally going to win handslide.
The governor is working excellently, and the governor is very perfect, and it's a learned governor, and it's very peaceful. He not make noise. Since he come to this governor in Edo State, everywhere become no any tourism, killing. He make pigs, he make Edo State pigs, and this is the governor that we need in Edo State. He's the best governor.
With the campaign so far, Governor Godwin Obaseki is enjoying massive support from the electorate and the people of the state. His chances of victory at the September 19 polls is getting brighter by the day. His achievements are speaking for him everywhere he went for the campaign. And several APC stalwarts and members are defecting to the People's Democratic Party in large numbers in the wards across the 18 local government areas in the state. It is clear that Edo people are ready to chart their own course.
To show, say, we will not only vote, but we will defend the vote. Because, more than wait, they're not supposed to know. Then they say they will bring nonsense to come shoot, to come do anything. More than wait. Edo and Lagos, Edo man they fear. They say we come from Benin, say we be great men because the kingdom na great kingdom, abi? And there are only two kingdoms in the world, Benin Kingdom and United Kingdom. And if you come from this kingdom, no be great men you be. If the true stone come here, they go say we know there. So I go ask this question now, and we go pull out our voice. Are you ready to defend your vote?
APC, they have invented and introduced into the Nigerian politics what we know today as inconclusive election. For that reason, we should all vote massively for our candidate, His Excellency Godwin Obaseki, so that he will be having between 100 to 200,000 votes to defeat his opponent, Pastor Sage Zeyamu. Otherwise, even if they come up, for example, say they declare 3 local government councils inconclusive, the vote to be null and void. They will have no cause to go for a second re-election.
The idea that this election will be rigged is not a farce. You rig the election, the people will confront you. You know, from what I'm seeing now, no Edo person will accept rigging. My advice to INEC, do a free, fair elections. It's safer for you, it's safer for Edo, it's safer for human lives, it's safer for everybody. Because how will you rig this passion out, this followership, this conviction? How will you rig it out? So, if you rig it, the people will tell you no. So those who are coming, my advice, sincerely, for my contribution to Nigeria now, for my age, I can only say the truth. Let's do it right. It is only righteousness that will exalt INEC now. Righteousness, meaning what is right and what is right alone.
I know everything. That I'm in love with my government. I'm in love with Obaseki. If that people say now you will want. If that people say too often I go win the race. If that people say too often I go come back again. Too often you will win the race. Too often you will win the race. Shaibu Obaseki, two of you. Two of you. Two of you will win the race.
I'm a typical Yoruba man. Yeah, I'm living in Golo, Udo, Ward 5, Unit 14. I'm here to assure our governor that we Yoruba people, we Bobo farmers in this Edo State, we are back the governor to stay in the OVP for the next 1 year. But now, no
name is Honorable Joel Efeswa from Okinawa Ward 9. From Enukora Ward, Jamage community precisely. My people, my good people of Udo, all the wards here, we are here because of our amiable governor and his amiable deputy. These people have performed so wonderful in the history of governance in this state. So for this, please, the day of election, defend your votes and vote only for umbrella PDP. We from the River Rhine, no shaking as my colleague Ebema was speak, no shaking. I am from the Nicola Ward, and we are going to give all our votes to PDP, to our governor and our deputy governor. So with this, I want everybody to join us, meet your papa, meet your mama, meet all those your friends when they go outside to prove one of you do anything for Nigeria. So for this, you people should work hard for this governor to imagine again 4 plus 4 PDP.
Edo must move forward. Remember, say, yo, backward never. Yo, yo, yo. Oh God, for that is it. Move forward, backward never. Let's go, see. Forward never, backward never. Obaseki na the man of, we know. Forward never, backward never. Shaibu Sem na the man of, we know. Edo must move forward, backward never.
I can't tell you now. Particularly Riverine, say on September 19, the power to re-elect me now na hand today. Una go deliver me. Make I tell you now why. Let me tell you why you should deliver me. You see, the work one we don't do the last 4 years. Now, small thing compared to what we're supposed to do. When I know, say, particularly the last 2 years, now wahala, they don't wahala me. When I know the kind of fight, what will they fight is? Eh? My hand, they pocket, they hold the money, they drag my hand, they drag my hand. They not let me walk. By the grace of God, after when I don't vote us in on September 19th, we don't get any other business with anybody. Our only business now is now to make sure that we fulfill our promise to you. Because the election of September 19th, it will finally remove those godfathers from our life. Finally, you go pack them, put them for the gutter where they're supposed to be. So the money when they, the money when it remains, when will they get? We go use them, work for now. Because after September 19th, they don't go get out to talk again for this Edo state. PDP!
I'm in